How to Sell Products on Amazon, a comprehensive guide. Amazon has become one of the world's largest online retailers, providing an unparalleled platform for entrepreneurs and businesses to reach a global audience. With over 300 million active users and millions of products listed on the site, selling products on Amazon can be an incredibly lucrative business. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the steps you need to take to start selling products on Amazon and how to optimize your business for success. 1. Choose your product niche. The first step to selling on Amazon is to choose a product niche. Your product niche should be something you are passionate about and have knowledge of. This will help you create high-quality product listings and stand out from your competitors. Research your niche thoroughly to understand the competition, pricing, and demand. 2. Source your products. Once you have chosen your product niche, you need to source your products. There are various ways to source products, including wholesale suppliers, manufacturers, and private label products. You can also create your own products and sell them on Amazon. 3. Register for an Amazon seller account. To sell on Amazon, you need to register for a seller account. There are 2 types of accounts available, individual and professional. The individual account is free, but you pay a fee for each item sold. The professional account requires a monthly fee, but you can sell an unlimited number of products. 4. Create your product listings. Your product listings are the heart of your Amazon business. You need to create high-quality product listings that showcase your products and provide value to your customers. Your listings should include clear product descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. You can also add keywords to optimize your listings for search engines. 5. Optimize your listings for search engines. Optimizing your product listings for search engines is essential to ensure that your products are visible to potential customers. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and bullet points. You can also use Amazon's advertising platform to promote your products to a targeted audience. 6. Fulfill your orders. Once your products are listed on Amazon, you need to fulfill your orders. You can fulfill orders yourself, or you can use Amazon's fulfillment service, FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. With FBA, Amazon handles the storage, shipping, and customer service for your products. This can save you time and allow you to focus on growing your business. 7. Monitor your metrics. Monitoring your metrics is essential to ensure that your Amazon business is performing well. Amazon provides various metrics, including sales, revenue, and customer feedback. Use these metrics to identify areas where you can improve your business and optimize your listings. 8. Continuously improve your business. To be successful on Amazon, you need to continuously improve your business. This includes staying up to date with trends and changes in the marketplace, optimizing your product listings, and expanding your product offerings. Use customer feedback to improve your products and customer service. In conclusion, selling products on Amazon can be an incredibly lucrative business. However, it requires hard work, dedication, and a solid strategy. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start your Amazon business with confidence and optimize it for success. Remember to choose a product niche you are passionate about, create high-quality product listings, optimize your listings for search engines, fulfill your orders, monitor your metrics, and continuously improve your business.